Did your expired listing quietly leave money on the table? $10,000 to $50,000 you never saw? I'm Henry. Working across Oak Lawn and the Chicago Southland, I see this constantly. Good homes sit, not because they're bad, but because small, fixable gaps drain profit and scare off qualified buyers. Here's what I mean. First, profit leaks. Things like financing friction, missing buyer incentives, or poor positionings that make your home feel more expensive than it is. Second, buyer appeal score. How your home shows up to today's buyers in the first 7 seconds. Photo, copy, payment framing, even tiny condition issues that may trip lender rules. Third, financing leverage. Tools that make the monthly payment look and feel right without cutting your price. Temporary rate buydowns, grant pairing, or better loan visibility. I built a 2-minute quiz that reveals your biggest gaps, gives you an appeal score, and shows which financing leverage fits your home. One seller here in Oakland used it, fixed 2 gaps, and landed 2 full price offers in 9 days. If your listing expired, you don't need just price slash. You need clarity. Take the quiz now. The link is in the video. Results vary, not a guarantee.